Nishu, bienvenue. Good morning all of you. Welcome you all in the new video. So today's topic is definite articles. Today we are going to learn about definite articles in French. So as we all know that we have articles in English, the same way we have articles in French also. So articles are divided into two categories, that is definite articles and indefinite articles. The same way as in English, these two categories are also there in French. So in French also we have definite articles and indefinite articles. But today in this video we will learn only about definite articles, and soon we will start with the next video, that is of indefinite articles. So now let's start with definite articles in French. In English we have only the as our definite article, but in French we have le, la, les, l'apostrophe. La is used for masculine singular. La is used for feminine singular. Les is used for plural, whether it is masculine plural, feminine plural, or the word is starting from a vowel. So first thing that we need to do is we need to check whether the noun is plural or not. If it is plural, whether it is masculine or feminine. If it is plural, then we need to use les. See, masculine plural les, feminine plural les, before vowels but ending as a plural les. Then if it is plural, use les. If it is starting with vowel or silent H, then we need to use L apostrophe. L apostrophe. Okay, so we are done with two things, that is plural, we need to use les, and if it is starting with the vowel or silent H, then we need to use L apostrophe. Alright, now let's come to masculine singular. If the noun is masculine and singular, then we need to use la. La. And if the noun is feminine and singular, then we need to use la. La. See, we have few examples as well. Garçon. Garçon is boy. This is ending with S. It means this is plural. That is why we are using les, that is les, as our definite article in French. Les garçons. Whereas this is a singular, masculine singular. We are using le. Le garçon. Boy. These are boys. Alright. Then we have feminine singular plural. In feminine we have fille, means girl, girls. This is plural. That is why we are using les. Les filles. And this is singular noun, girl. So we are using la. La fille. Then let's come to vowels. This noun is starting with a vowel. We are using la apostrophe. La apostrophe. And if it is plural, whereas starting with a vowel, no matter, we need to put les. So now let's see few examples. Glace means ice cream. This is feminine. So for feminine we will use la. la glace. Then we have info. This is vowel. Then we will use L apostrophe. L apostrophe. Then we have chocolate. Chocolate is masculine. We will use la. La. La chocolate. Then we have stylo. Stylo means pen, which is masculine. We will use la. La. La stylo. Then we will have cahier. Cahier is notebook. And it is masculine. So we will use la. La cahier. Then règle. Règle. This is plural. So for plurals, we will use les. Les règles means scales. Then we have gomme. Gomme. Gomme is erasers. And this is plural. So we will use les gommes. Les gommes. Then we have bird. Oiseau. Oiseau means bird, that is masculine, but it is starting with a vowel. We will use L apostrophe. L'oiseau. So these are few examples of definite articles in French. Hope you have learned definite articles. So do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.